Hey guys, Coach D here. Today in the dojo, what we're going to work on is talking about good mornings. So we did our series on hip hinging, and I want to add this in for some of you guys that need a more advanced movement. So the first thing to know, good mornings are very similar to doing an RDL. The only difference is the bar is going to be on our backside like in a squat. You still want to brace, you still want to hinge. So we want to make sure the bar is at a good setup height for you. After that, we're going to go underneath, just like what we do in our squat setup. Back engaged, knees bent, hips bent, stand up. And then we're going to take our steps back. 1, 2. Now, if you need to bring your feet a little bit closer, you can take those extra steps. That's depending on you. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unhinge the knees just a little bit, bracing the abdominals, and now I'm going to push my hips back, going down, my head being neutral, right there, and I'm driving back forward, squeezing the glutes at the top. So let me show you that again here. Bracing, hips back, head's neutral, boom, feel the stretch in the back of the hammies, bring it right back up. Bringing it back in, stepping in, feet go lateral, back down, and boom. That's our good morning. All right, guys, see you next week.